In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Calendar for your family. Google Calendar is an incredibly versatile tool that can help you keep everyone in your family on the same page. Whether it's organizing soccer practice, scheduling a family movie night, or making sure everyone knows about the upcoming doctor's appointment, Google Calendar can be a game changer for family logistics. Let's dive into how to set it up and use it effectively. First things first, head over to your Google Calendar. You can do this on your computer or even your mobile device if you prefer. Once you're there, you'll notice on the left side of your screen a section labeled Other Calendars. Right next to that, there's a little plus sign. Go ahead and click on that and then select Create New Calendar. Now it's time to give your calendar a name. This will help you and your family members identify it easily, so something like family calendar or perhaps your family name followed by calendar is perfect. Once you've decided on a name, click Create Calendar. With your new calendar created, navigate back to that left sidebar again, hover over your freshly minted family calendar, and you'll see three little dots appear. Click on those dots and a menu will pop up. Select Settings and Sharing. Sharing is key here, so under the Share With section, you're going to add the email addresses of your family members. This will ensure that everyone who needs to be in the loop can access the calendar. When you add an email, you will also set permissions for each person. I recommend choosing the option to make changes to events, since this allows family members to add appointments or change details as needed. Now it's time to start populating your calendar with events. Click on the date and time slot you need for an upcoming event. Let's say you're scheduling a soccer practice. You'll add a title like soccer practice right there. Make sure to also set the specific time and location for the event. If there are any additional details such as what to bring or who's responsible for driving, jot those down in the description section. Before you hit save, double check that it's being added to your family calendar by looking at the calendar drop down menu. This little step ensures everything is organized in the right place. Once everything looks good, go ahead and click save. And that's it. Now you and your family have a centralized place to coordinate schedules and make plans seamlessly. Google Calendar gives you the flexibility and organization to keep up with busy family lives all in one place. Remember, the more you use it, the better and more interconnected your family logistics will become. Happy scheduling!